I know Bitcoin in the crypto market has been looking extremely bullish the last couple of days, but there is some short to medium term weakness lingering in the market. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ. I've taught over 1,500 people how to trade since 2021. Now, at this exact moment, we are in a bearish crossover based on the EPIQ trading strategy. We see a bearish pivot signal. We're starting to test an LSU rejection. And you'll also notice that even through this impulse move that we've been tracking for about 4 days now, the point of control for volume, or this gold line, is going to be sitting as a resistance right now, which will tell me that the majority of volume going into this at the moment at this zone is going to be selling pressure. You could also match that confluence with what you see on the VFI, which is also downtrending for volume. And you can also see that momentum is outflowing and downtrending as well on the MACD, and as well as the CCI, we're also outflowing. Which, by the way, if you want to learn my trading strategy, get access to my trades, join our trading community, all that stuff, there are limited spots available in the trading mentorship program. So I'll tag the link in the video. I'll also add it into the description. This gives you access to everything on the EPIQ Trading Floor website for 72 hours for free, and walks you through my trading strategy step by step, which has over an 85% win rate across all markets. Now, if we do start to see this pull down, we have a couple key levels here that we're tracking with the Fibonacci retracement. Right in between 88.5 all the way down to about 86.6 is a nice little area of interest for me. This would drop us into the EPIQ golden pocket, which would also give us a really good opportunity of swinging up to take profit 3 based on the Fibonacci retracement to extension tool. And that can easily see an impulse move up to about 105,000, which would officially break us over 100,000, which I'm sure a lot of people have been impatiently waiting for since we've been in a consistent downtrend since January. If you go over to the crypto macro dashboard on the EPIQ Trading Floor website and you go switch this to volume change in 24 hours, you'll notice that volume is outflowing significantly today. This has not been the case in the last few days. It's been pretty green across the board. And as the morning is going on, these numbers are dropping more and more. And for me personally, volume is foreshadowing, and it gives you a good idea of where trend can start to move to next. And then zooming out to the long terms, you can see that downtrending resistance I was talking about. I would absolutely love to see price come down and retest this line and retest this downtrend, but as a support this time instead of a resistance, because we've tested this as a resistance multiple times, but we have not officially confirmed as a support yet. So if we can confirm this long-term downtrend is null and void and we can start to move into more of a consolidation phase, then which long-term can lead us into an uptrend, which could take us up to 100,000, all the way up to potentially 185,000 if we got lucky and saw a really good altcoin season and an overall parabolic run on Bitcoin itself. And at the same time, notice Bitcoin dominance is testing this liquidity sweep high right now. So if we can start to move down from here and really start to see Bitcoin dominance sell off, then that would be the official start for me for altcoin season, when I could really start to see all of these other projects besides Bitcoin really start to take off. And we would see altcoins start to make those moves that people think are fairy tales, where you can see things going up 10, 20, 50, 100x, so on and so forth. So I'll leave you all with that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that now. That would be greatly, greatly appreciated. If you want to come trade with me, go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world, and I will see you on the next video.